This book of the law shall not depart out of thy mouth, but thou shalt meditate therein day and night, that thou mayest observe to do according to all that is written therein. For then thou shalt make thy way prosperous, and then thou shalt have good success. This is Prophet Andre Cook with your word for 2012. 2012 is the year of good success. Beloved, I want to encourage you to have great expectation, because it is the will of God that you succeed in 2012. Beloveds, you don't want to miss the opportunity that is before us. The year of divine alignment, divine order, the year of his good success. Beloveds, it's God's will that you succeed. We're made in his image and in his likeness. And God is a success, and so should you and I be a success. Join me in any of our services. They're all designed with you in mind. Join me at the Life Chapel, 213-17 Jamaica Avenue, Queens Village, New York, 10 p.m. on this coming watch night, December 31st, 2011. We're going to be going into the new year with high expectations. Join me, my special musical guest, Lucretia Campbell. I have your word in my mouth. Get ready for your mojo for success in 2012. God bless you. See you there.
Can hinder me.